My son has just solved the Rubik's Cube in 3 minutes and 2 seconds. He has challenged me to try and beat his time, so I'm going to see if I can beat his time and the amount of time it takes for this coffee pot to brew my afternoon cup. Shall we? Ready with the timer?
Yes.
Tell me when.
Ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
All right. So the first thing we need to do is get this bottom or the white cross and get this like this, like that. We got our white cross. Now let's get the corner pieces. Ooh, that coffee's brewing fast. Okay, green and red. That one goes there. Alright, now these guys. Red and green. That one's in place. 1 minute, 4 seconds, Tristan says. That one out. There, he's waving. Nice. Oh, boy.
1 minute, 46, 47.
All right, almost. Have that second layer. Got the second layer. Got the orange cross. Got that. Got that. Got that. Now we need these corners. That's in the right place, so do that.
2 minutes.
Oh. Okay, I think we're close. I think we're close. I think we're close. Boom. Time?
That one for some reason didn't.
2:33. And we beat the coffee pot too. What's up, y'all? It's Eamonn and Tristan. We're doing some Rubik's Cube. Tristan has done some phenomenal solving today already, and he's going to try to beat his own record right now. You up for it, T?
Yep.
All
I'm
right.
trying to beat 3:12.
Yeah. All right, I'll let you do it. On your mark, get set, go.
I can't believe all those were ready for me.
Oh, yeah. And you're doing that. Well, yeah, all this will see for sure.
We're going to send it to YouTube.
Show you later.
Make sure I don't do anything wrong.
Oh, you're doing a fine job. You're going to be doing it faster than me soon.
Okay.
Nice, 2 layers done.
Orange, go. And
Yellow cross done.
everything in place.
Oh, and it's in the right place. Alright.
Nothing of the corners. So, do that. Is that the right move? It's still in the right place. That is right. That, okay. Wait. So that, and that. Okay. 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 Am I doing the right hand move right? Am I doing the right hand move right? Am I doing the right hand move right? Am I doing... Stop! Yes!
248.
Yes!
Awesome, dude.
Yes!
That was incredible. Show everybody it's solved. Nice.
In 2 minutes, 48 seconds.
That's a record. Amazing, bud. Good job.
Record for kids.